Welcome to this video on the life and art of Edward Hopper. Born in 1882 in Nyack, New York, Hopper had a unique upbringing that greatly influenced his artistic journey. Growing up in a small coastal town, he developed a deep appreciation for the beauty of everyday life. Hopper's experiences as a young man further shaped his artistic vision. He studied at the New York School of Art and Design, where he was exposed to different artistic styles and techniques. This exposure helped him develop his own distinctive style, characterized by crisp lines, bold colors, and a focus on light and shadow. In the late 1920s, Hopper produced a series of artworks that captured the essence of urban life. Some of his most notable pieces from this period include Blackwell'S Island, Manhattan Bridge Loop, and Coast Guard Station. In these works, Hopper depicted the bustling energy and architectural grandeur of the city, while also conveying a sense of solitude and contemplation. Hopper's love for the coast is evident in his paintings such as Coast Guard Bowtie, Coast Guard Cove, and House of the Foghorn, No. 3. These works portray the rugged beauty of the sea, capturing the tranquility and vastness of the ocean. Throughout his career, Hopper had a keen eye for capturing the essence of everyday life. His paintings, such as Adam's House, Box Factory, Gloucester, and the Dory, depict ordinary scenes with a sense of mystery and intrigue. Hopper had a knack for transforming the mundane into something visually captivating. One of Hopper's most iconic works from this period is Night Windows, where he offers a glimpse into the intimacy and isolation of urban life. The painting showcases the illuminated windows of a building, hinting at the private lives and stories unfolding behind closed doors.